All right, guys, welcome back to San Luis Obispo Real Estate. My name is Jay Bond Real Estate Group of eXp Realty. If you like what you see, hey, hit that thumbs up. If you want to stay tuned for new content that we're dropping weekly, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for new notifications. So if you're tuning in for a property tour in Paso Robles, California, you are absolutely in the correct spot. So behind me is 1021 Burro Verde here in beautiful Paso Robles. Now this is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath home, just under 2,800 square feet and sitting on 1 full acre of land. That's right, 1 full acre. Constructed in 1990, but had many, many beautiful updates and improvements since its construction. Let's go inside, check it out. All right, gang, 1021 Burro Verde, Paso Robles, California. Welcome home. So as you see, this is the foyer or the entry, if you will. Now, this space, of course, right off of this adjacent, if you will, we have some closet storage. I'll let you cut in there. And then we also have a powder room, right? So a half bath, toilet, sink, right off of the entryway, which is nice right out the gate, starting out with bathrooms and extra storage, so you can't knock that, right? And then we make our way immediately into the living room. And of course, the first thing that you see is just this beautiful, beautiful, massive tree behind us in the backyard, as well as these hillside views. This time of year, we've had a lot of rain, so nice and green outside, very lush. Even on an overcast day like we're having, just beautiful natural light pouring into the home. But a very open living floor plan in here, as we see, right? Enough for potentially some sectionals, as well as a couple couches, plenty of space for furniture. Adjacent, we have our fireplace here as well. And then our mounted TV stand, of course, which is great. You can pivot, do what you need to do for the Sunday football games, NBA games, whatever it may be. Now, of course, we have some patio access here, which we're going to take a look at momentarily. Stay patient for that. But let's make our way into the formal dining room as well as kitchen. And so this is a decent sized dining table that we have in here. If there was an extra leaf to it, you could probably actually push it out a little bit more if you've got a couple more guests that are going to be dining with you. Kitchen, last handful of years, has seen beautiful improvements. As we see, almost, dare I say, a mint green finish paint on the cabinets. Could be wrong with that color specificity, but pretty darn close. Nice granite, beautiful backsplash that's been done here with that tile. And relatively newer appliances in this home here. But nice open concept here in the kitchen, whether you're hosting, entertaining, a lot of counter space for preparing food, serving guests, et cetera, et cetera. This home, as I mentioned, is just really great for hosting and for entertaining. All right, now immediately off of the living room, as we approach the hallway here, going down the hallway to our left, to your left, I should say, we have our indoor laundry, right? Plenty of extra storage for linens, countertop space, utility sink, the whole bit in there. Very, very functional, right? And then immediately passing that, we have our guest bedroom number 1. And as we see, a lot of natural light flowing in. Decent sized bedroom. I believe there's a queen size bed, but you could probably fit a king, I would say, pretty easily in there. Then we have our full guest bathroom, tub, shower, vanity commode. And then guest bedroom number 2. Again, pretty much mirroring the square footage of guest bedroom number 1, pretty darn close, following that theme of a lot of natural light, really beautiful hillside views and views of the neighboring properties. Now, queen size bed again, this could probably be a king size bed. There's enough depth and dimension in this room to fill with such a bed. Let's make our way into the master suite. if you will here. So really large master bedroom, a lot of square footage in here, plenty of room for big pieces of furniture. There's a dresser. You could absolutely have a tall armoire if you'd like. Ceilings are also very, very high. This is a king size bed and plenty of room. Then of course we have some balcony or patio access out here as well that we see. Right, very quiet, very private. If you wanted to come have, let's say, a cup of coffee in the morning, cup of tea, enjoy the scenery, hear the birds chirping, a lot of tree cover right here, beautiful views of the adjacent properties and hillside. Awesome feature from this master bedroom. Another cool feature of this room is the large, what we call wardrobe closet, right? This is a closet where you can actually walk around, right? Plenty of hanging storage in here, as well as room for potentially built-in, right? If you want to get California closets, anything like that. And then, of course, this brings us right into the master bath. Now, this is a sizable bathroom, separated a little bit. You have large soaking tub right here, a little bit of linen storage, full-size shower, commode, dual vanity space, right? So a lot of room in this master suite of the house. So next thing we want to check out is the den downstairs and the bonus room that we see as well. So come on, check it out. So welcome to the den. Awesome place for billiards. As we see, the seller has a pool table set up right here, right? Fireplace, little table here, hang out, have a cocktail, maybe enjoy a glass of Paso Robles wine, right? This is a great area for wineries. We do have, again, following the theme of wraparound decks, pretty much another deck and patio access here off of the den. Now, what's very cool about this space here as well is, of course, we also have a guest bedroom, which is a nice bonus space down here. So plenty of room for guests, in-laws staying in. Just a really cool opportunity. As we see, we have queen size bed as well as 2 day beds in here as well. So a lot of room for guests to stay. You've got your closet. The utility room is also accessible through here. And then we also have a full bath, right? Nice updates and improvements, beautiful vanity, commode, shower. A great guest bedroom space. Now, moving from the lower level of the home, let's go check out the backyard space. So this home features a lot of outdoor space, a lot of decking as well. So as we see, this is a great spot for hosting out here, barbecues, entertaining, drinking some wine, or just, you know, hanging out and enjoying the evening. But we see just beautiful, expansive views. Again, this parcel is exactly 1 full acre. So a lot of space just to roam, make other improvements if you wanted to with this property. So potential, you know, is pretty darn endless, or pretty darn close, I should say. And then this wraps around, of course, to a nice barbecue area. So again, great outdoor space, a lot of room to roam on this property and with the house. And here we are in the 2-car garage space. So ultimately a finished garage. We have a lot of built-in and additional storage cabinets as we see here, back patio and deck access, as well as these floor tiles that were installed that cover the garage floor. So a really great space. Have a little workshop, park your cars, bring groceries in, whatever it may be. All right, so here we are in the front patio area. So this is really just a great hosting, entertaining space, which just follows the theme of this entire property. And as we see, we have this beautiful pergola here, right? Covering the sitting area, beautiful fireplace. Behind us, all that masonry work that's been done, followed by a hot tub. Now, cool thing about this home, everything that you see here is included in the sale. That's right, all of the furnishings, hot tub, outdoor furniture, everything included. But what a great place just to sit here, host, entertain guests, hop into the jacuzzi, drink a glass of wine, relax. Awesome property. So just some fun facts about Paso Robles before we wrap up here. This is wine country through and through. Just amazing wineries here. So if you like wine tasting, there are over 200 wineries. That's right, 200 wineries in the Paso Robles area to check out. Cabernet Sauvignon, Zinfandel, as well as a lot of Rhone varietals. So definitely check those out. If you're a craft cocktail person, there are many local distilleries here. Absolutely worth checking out. In addition to that, fine dining and some Michelin star dining as well. Literally some of the best food and restaurants in the county to check out. So please come on, check out Paso Robles. And if you're here in town while we're still in the market, come check us out here at 1021 Burro Verde.